Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And guys, I think I did very good at Giant food stores. They have an incredible deal this week. All kind of products that are spend 20 and save $10 instantly. These deals include household products. It includes food, just a something in just about every category. But this deal that I did here, I think is the best bang for your buck, because not only are you able to save the $10 instantly, but you can also submit your receipt to Ibotta and get some cash back. Now, for those of you who have paper coupons, you can also use some paper coupons. So we'll get into that in a minute. But before I go over the entire deal and show you how I saved and only spent $5.68 for all of this, I do need you guys to hit that subscription button for me. Guys, we're inching up there. My goal is to be at 15,000 subscribers by July 1st. And I know I can count on you guys to get me there. So let's hit that subscription button and then hit the bell right next to it so that you get notified every time I put up a new video if you are watching me on YouTube. If you're watching me on Facebook, then I need you to hit that follow button. That way you will see all the deals I put up, especially if you are a Giant food store shopper. So guys, let's get right into it. So like I said, this week at Giant, they have all these different products that are a part of the deal where you spend $20 and you get $10 off instantly. And this is good actually until Thursday. Let me get the date up here because you guys know I always mess my dates up. It's good until Thursday, April 18th. So today is Sunday, April 14th. So you still have a few days to do this deal. But let me show you guys all the different products that are included in this deal. And you could do this deal in store or you can do it online as a pickup. Okay, so there you see spaghetti sauce, some Kellogg's cereal, Knorr's pasta sides, Raisin Bran cereal. There's more spaghetti sauce by Ragu, more Knorr's, Tidy cat litter, Newman's classic dressing, soft scrub cleaner, Glade air sprays, all liquid detergent, the free and clear, Utz potato chips. Here's more of the sides, more chips, Snuggle dryer sheets, Method pink grapefruit plant-based purpose cleaner, all-purpose cleaner. So there's some more all detergent, the Fresh and Clean, the one in the blue pack, Lance toasted cheese, crackers, Coffee Mate, Farm Rich mozzarella sticks, more Coffee Mate, more Cheez-Its, more Coffee Mate, Khalifa Farms unsweetened almond milk. There's Snuggle fabric softener, more almond milk, Myers cleaning products, M&M's chocolate, Dial body wash for men. I mean, guys, there are so many things that are included. Viva paper towels, Pop-Tart bites, the original Donut Shop K-Cups. So you just have to go through Green Mountain K-Cups and see what all is on sale and make a deal that's good for you. But as you can see, there's 199 items, and I've only showed you 120. The sparkling ice drinks, and there's certain sparkling ice drinks, so you have to make sure that you scan to get the right ones. The Crystal Purex beads. There's more soft soap. Lemon Perfect Organic Peach Raspberry Cleaner, Rice Krispie cereal, all different flavors of that. More Khalifa Farms oat milk. Just showing you all, because there's a lot, guys. The Body Armor drinks, the all oxy flings or pads, whatever they call them, packs, Frosted Flakes cereal, more Dow body wash. Okay, so you don't just have to do the deal that I did, but you can mix and match or do however you want, and you can actually do this deal 5 times. So let's jump right into the deal and let me show you what I did. So I grabbed the soft soap. I wanted to do an all like household cleaning bundle. So I did the soft soap, and the soft soap is $4.49. And there's no digital coupons or anything for that. And then I grabbed the that's the soft scrub with Oxy cleaner. But you can grab any of the scents. You don't have to just grab the Oxy. That's the one I grabbed. And then I grabbed these, the Soft Scrub Duo cubes to clean your toilet. And these were actually the cleaner was $4.19. And these, the cubes, are $4.49. Again, I don't have any digital coupons, but what I did was submit my receipt to Ibotta, because Ibotta has a ton of deals, rebates that go along with the items that are in the spend 20, get $10 off instantly. Okay, so with the soft scrub, you get $1 back, and you can actually get 2 of those, but I only chose to get 1. So that would bring that down to $3.19, but you know we still get the $10 off. Then the cubes were $4.49, and Ibotta has a rebate of 75 cents back for that, and you can also do that one 2 times too. And then I grabbed the Purex crystals. The Purex crystals are actually on sale 2 for $8. They're regularly $5.19, but they're on sale 2 for $8 or $4 each. So I grabbed 2 of those, and I grabbed the Fresh Vibes and the Fresh Water. Doesn't matter which scent you get, but Ibotta is giving back $1 for each one of those, and you can get 2 on that also. And then to get up to my $20, I grabbed a box of Snuggle dryer sheets, and I grabbed the 80 count. And the reason I was being specific on that is because they have a couple different sizes in the Snuggle dryer sheets, but you want to make sure you grab the right ones that are in the promotion. So the Snuggle dryer sheets in the blue box for the 80 count are 2 for $8, or $4 a piece, plus the spend 20, get $10 off. And Ibotta has a rebate of $1 back for that. Now with the dryer sheets, you could only get 1 of those. Everything else you can get 2. You can get 2 Purex, you can get 2 soft scrubs, you can get 2 of the soft scrub duo cubes, but you can only get 1 of the dryer sheets. So that brought me up to my $20, which would enable me to save $10 off instantly. So let me show you my receipt. So here's my receipt. There's the Purex crystals, regularly $5.19, on sale for $4. And then you see the second one, the same thing. Then the soft scrub Oxy cleaner for $4.19. Well, it was on sale for $4.09, excuse me. And then the soft scrub cubes, which were on sale for $4.34. And then you see the Snuggle dryer sheets, which were on sale for $4. That brought my total to $10.43, because you guys know that we don't discuss tax, because everyone's tax is different in every city, state, or borough. So $10.43 once I saved the $10 off instantly. And you see that right there where it says SC. It says $4 off cleaning, which I don't understand why it says that. And then it says minus $10, but it subtracted $10, not $4. So that might be confusing to some people. So I did want to point that out to you. Okay, so my total was $10.43. Then when I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, I got back $4.75. I got $2 back for the Purex, one for each one, $1 back for the soft scrub, $1 back for the dryer sheets, and 75 cents back for the cubes, which brought it to $4.75. And when you minus the $4.75 from the $10.43 I paid at the register, then that means my total was $5.68 for all of that, for all 5 items, or $1.14 each. So guys, that is my haul. I hope you're able to do this. I was going to get the all liquid detergent because that's also included, and we do have an Ibotta rebate for that also, but my store was sold out of that. Now, if you have the 417, I think it's the save insert, there are coupons for these items also. I don't have that insert. I haven't bought inserts in a while, so I can't show you what those look like, but I know they are still valid. So if you have that insert, check your insert, and you can use the paper coupons for those also. And take a chance and submit your receipt to Ibotta. It just may glitch and allow you to use the coupons and the Ibotta rebates. But guys, that's my haul. Let me know down below how you're going to do yours and what you end up getting for the spend 20, get $10 off instantly. And until the next time, keep on saving.